All right. On this baby, the other day, I pulled the spark plugs out, removed all the coils. These are interesting to me. Coil on the bottom and one on the other side to go to the opposite side of the engine. One coil does 2 holes, unlike the earlier model 3.7s. So, like I said, I pulled the plugs, pulled these out, the coils. Well, of course, you got to pull the coils to do that, to get to the plugs. And today, we did a compression test. And although this is backwards, the right side on number 1 hole, zero compression, even wet. 110, 135, 140, 110, and 150. So it's my belief that the timing chain guides that look like this are worn out. The timing chain is stretched a little bit, and it just simply really isn't in time any longer. And then it bent the valve. That's my theory on these. Is the timing chain guides wear out, chains get a little loose, lifters get a little bit clogged up with sludge and gum and don't work well anymore, and you over rev it and pow, a valve hits the piston and kills its own compression. So off the head will come only the right head will come off, because it's the only one with 0 compression. We'll put a new timing chain set in it and a new water pump and probably 1 valve, and that will be it. Thanks for watching the video. Y'all have a good day.